Hello, all you coin collectors out there, and welcome to DC Coin World International Coin Channel. Today, we're going to take a look at the 1, 2, and 5 euro cent coins from the country of Ireland. Now, as you know, you can spend euro cent coins in whatever country you're in, and with whatever country is on them. But let's just take a look at these. So these will all have the harp from Ireland on them, and they'll all say Eire on one side, E-I-R-E, and on the other side they will have the date, and in this case 2002. And I think these are all 2002. We'll flip this one the other way. Depends on whether you want an upside down harp or not. And then this one this way. So we have three coins from Ireland from 2002. The 1 euro cent, the 2 euro cent, and the 5 euro cent. What I wanted to talk about a little bit was what they used in Ireland before they used these coins. And so what I did was I took the 1 penny, the 2 penny, and the 5 penny coin from Ireland that preceded these euro coins. Now, there's a lot of similarities between them if you look at them, and you can see that. And that's in some ways it was intentional because I think Ireland knew they were moving to the euro. But this coin, this 1 penny coin here, is a copper-plated steel coin, and it's a lot bigger, of course. It's almost the same exact size as the 5 euro. I mean, 5 euro cent. Not quite 5 euros, but 5 euro cents. And so these are all similar materials. This one here, the 2p coin, also a copper-plated steel. The 5p coin is not, but there isn't. When you get to the euro coins, they use the same material. So that's kind of an interesting change between the two of them. Now, Ireland first started making the euro cent coins in 2002. And so in 2002, they came out with a 1, a 2, a 5, a 10, a 20, and a 50 euro cent coin. And when they came out with them, they just changed everything over. So they had to get rid of all these coins as currency. And so when you look at this coin, if you look it up on the internet, you'll see that it was demonetized or made not money anymore. That's what demonetized means, on February 9th, 2002. And that was essentially the same year that these came out. So these came out, these were demonetized. Same with all of these. And when they demonetized these, you could trade them in, but now they don't have any cash value in Ireland, these lower ones. And so they're only pretty much only good for collectors at this point. And collectors love them just because these have the Book of Kells on scrolls on them. And this has of course, the big bull with the horns pointing forward on the 5p. So when they brought these out, they made them in droves. And so this 1 penny coin, they made 404 million of them. The 1 cent coin, the 1 euro cent. The 2 euro cent coin, they made 355 million almost. And the 5 euro cent coin, they again made a bunch. They made 451 million almost. So between the three of these coins, there was 1.2 billion of them made. The best year, if you're looking for them, and you're looking for a non-proof set, would probably be 2010 for all of them. So I said they made 450 million of these in 2002. In 2010, they only made 1 million. So it went down from 450 to 1 million. In 2010, for the 2 cent, they made 3.5 million, down from 350 million. And in 2010, for the 1 cent, they went from 404 million in 2002 to 4.9, or essentially 5 million. So from 404 million to 5 million. So these coins all, if you're going to collect these coins, look for the proof sets, look for the 2002. None of them are worth a whole lot of money because there's so many out there and because they've been demonetized. But they are nice coins to collect. Of course, we didn't talk anything about the front, but all of them have the standard Euro cent front on them. And that's the Luke Leutsch engraving, design and engraving of the globe with the facial or number value, with the Euro cent at the top, and with the stars for the 12-pointed stars on all of these, representing the 12 countries initially of the European Union. Now, the Celtic harp on these was an engraving from Jarlath Hayes. So it wasn't Luke Leutsch that did this side. And I just want to make really clear. And here we got some 3 upside down Celtic harps for you. And that's all we have today from the DC Coin World International Coin Channel. Have a great day, and we'd love to have you subscribe to our channel and leave any comments you might have in the comments section.